I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down.
Persiapannya kita semua udah dari semua pemain, dari segi mental, fisik semua udah siap 100%. Apalagi kemarin kita memiliki hasil yang cukup bagus, 3 pertandingan dengan 27 gol. Saya rasa itu menjadi modal penting bagi anak-anak untuk menjalani pertandingan final kali ini.
Persiapan kita melawan Persis Women kita sudah siap 100% dengan taktikal dan strategi yang cukup kita maksimal.
No mercy in this world, just hunger thirsty persons in different versions, each new update that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
dapat sepeda cengkling. Ini dia adik yang beruntung dalam rangkaian festival sepak bola wanita usia 12 tahun di Wisesa Soccer Field yang berlangsung pada tanggal 11 Maret 2017 2023.
Penghargaan pertama diberikan kepada pertandingan yang bertugas pada final sore hari ini.
Pengawas pertandingan Normalia Sapitri dari Kota Semarang. Wasit Novita Sari Mulat dari Kota Semarang. Asisten wasit 1 Eni Budi Astuti. Asisten wasit 2 Oka Indah Haryanto. Wasit cadangan Bimansyah dari Kota Semarang. Penghargaan kepada